Guys and girls, this is All Pro Exterior Services LLC coming at you again with a little video on some marketing, well, not free marketing as an initial investment, but got us some new shirts finally. So it's a 100% polyester shirt. It's a white shirt, has the left chest logo. It's a short sleeve, and then on the back we got professional pressure washing, our logo, the services we offer, and much more. Again, it's a polyester shirt. I chose to go white because the wording popped on the white a little bit cleaner for me, and I like the white shirts personally. But, you know, that's the short sleeve, so let me show you the long sleeve. Get it hooked up on our deal. Here's the long sleeve. It's cool. It's got the same everything on it. It's just a long sleeve version of the shirt, polyester. Again, 100%. So you have no bleach stains to worry about. And this is like I guess a screen print. I'm not really sure. I don't know nothing really about it. But my point here is this, guys. This is a walking billboard. You're walking through your local hardware stores, making groceries, whatever it is you're doing. You got the name, number, everything on your back. People could take a picture of it, call you later, and it's professional when you pull up to a job site and you got shirts on, especially if you got a helper, you match. It makes you look more professional, much more presentable. And guys, look, these aren't the shirts that you see all over the internet with water spots. Obviously, you can't see none of that. You know, that's a whole nother level of shirt. Now, I'm gonna tell you, I got 10 shirts, 4 of these long sleeves, 6 shorts, for right at $100 locally. You can go to your local printer, ask them if they do a cheap polyester shirt, put your logo on it. They helped me design it, you know, with everything. I provided the logo and everything else, but they helped me put it together. Again, it ain't the best shirt, but to get you going, 10 shirts for $100, $10 a piece, I'm not complaining at all. So again, this is a starter for you guys that get entry level, or you know, if you just want to get some shirts for normal wearing, it's not a bad to go locally and look around. That's what I did, and they hooked me up. In fact, I'm gonna get them to do some more later on. You know, when we build up the business, to get the water splashes on them, which I really do like. But again, this is a good walking billboard. Again, highly recommend it if you're going to be getting into this business, or any business rather. This is yeah, they're really thin, light, so of course they ain't gonna protect you from the cold, but it's more of a appearance and marketing thing than anything. So anyway, very excited about the shirts, and they even threw in a face mask for me, 2 face masks for me for free, which I didn't request, but that's cool. It's got my logo on the front of it. Anyway, that's cool. So again, for $100, I got 10 shirts, to where I think the other ones are around 30 to 40, maybe $50 a piece, with all the nice print on them. So looks all good, but I'm very happy with the results. Very happy, and I plan to get some more in the near future. So just wanted to spread it out. Look at your local print shops, see if they got some cheap polyester shirts that they can throw a logo and your information on. Roll with it. Get that marketing done. Build the brand. All right, catch up with you in a few. Peace.